In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a recovery email address to Gmail. Having a recovery email set up is really important because it gives you a quick and secure way to get back into your account if you ever forget your password, get locked out, or notice suspicious activity. Let's walk through the whole process step by step so you know exactly what to expect on screen. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to secure. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check that you're in the right inbox before you move on because the recovery email will only apply to the account that's currently active. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. If you haven't set a picture, this might just be a colored circle with the first letter of your name. Click on that icon. This opens a small menu that shows which account you're using, along with a few quick options. In that small menu, find the option that says Manage Your Google Account and click it. This will open a new page or tab, taking you out of the inbox view and into your main Google account settings. This is where you control things like personal info, security, data, and privacy for your account. On the Google account page, you'll see several tabs or sections along the top or on the left-hand side, depending on your device. Look for the section labeled personal info and click on it. The personal info page shows details like your name, birthday, contact information, and other basic account data that's tied to your profile. Scroll down until you see the contact information area. This is usually where you'll find your primary email address, maybe a phone number, and the option to add or edit a recovery email. Click the option to add a recovery email. If you already have one set and want to change it, you can click to edit it instead. A new field will appear where you can type in the email address you want to use for recovery. Type in an email address that you have access to and that you check regularly. It should be different from the Gmail account you're currently securing, ideally on another service or at least another account. That way, if you lose access to this Gmail account, you can still receive security codes or recovery links somewhere else. Take a moment to make sure there are no typos in the address. After you enter the recovery email, Google will usually send a verification message to confirm that you really own that address. Open a new tab or switch to the app for that recovery email inbox. Look for an email from Google with a verification link or code. It may be in your main inbox or it might land in a promotions or updates folder, so check those if you don't see it right away. Open the message, then either click the verification link or copy the code and paste it back into the Google account page if prompted. Once you've done that, your recovery email will be verified and linked to your Gmail account. You should see it listed in your account settings as a confirmed recovery option. That's all there is to it. By adding and verifying a recovery email, you're giving yourself a reliable safety net if anything ever happens to your Gmail access.